Hello everyone, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily fix if your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC or laptop keeps crashing and freezing randomly. So make sure that you watch the video till end and you follow all the steps sequence wise. So guys, first thing you'll have to do is to head over to the File Explorer, or you can simply search for File Explorer and simply open it. Now once you open it, you'll have to go to this PC, and after that you'll have to right click on C drive and then click on properties. After that you'll have to click on tools right here, and once you're on this page you'll be able to find an option of error checking, and you'll be able to find an option below it, that is the check option, and you will have to click on it. Now in my case it's saying that you don't need to scan this drive. We haven't found any issues on this drive. You can still scan the device for errors if you want. Now all you have to do is to click on scan drive. We'll still scan it and we will check if there is any issue. Now in some cases it may take 5 to 10 minutes, and in some cases it can take more. And now the second thing you'll have to do is to go back. It's saying that it will take only 25 seconds. Now it's saying 4 minutes. Now let's see, and there are two more steps after this one, and now let's do the second step while it's loading. Now the second thing you'll have to do is to search Windows Update. Now click on check for updates, and once you're on this page, guys, make sure that you click on check for updates and make sure that your laptop or computer is up to date, and all the updates are installed, and it will take some time. Now let's go back. It's saying 5 minutes remaining. And one thing you will have to keep in mind, that after doing this error checking, you will have to reinstall your PC or restart your PC or computer. And let's go back. It's still checking for updates. And right now my laptop is up to date and it's been updated to the latest version. I recently updated it. And the last and the final step of this process is to simply go to Windows Security, click on Virus and Threat Protection, and then click on Quick Scan. Now it will show you if your computer has any malware or viruses that is making your computer run slow, and that is making your PC crashing or freezing. Now the error checking has scanned and it says your device was scanned successfully. Windows successfully scanned the drive, no issues were found. Close. Okay, let's go back to Windows Update, and it's also updated to the latest version, and now it's saying two updates are available, and they have started installing. So make sure that you follow all the steps sequence wise and your problem will be solved. I hope you found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.